It's pretty wall. That's it, over the wall. Well, the only good news is that it's high tide, and it only hit the gazebo once that I saw, and it's only gone over the wall here a couple of times, and it's high tide, so all I can do is go out. It's high tide right now, January 2014. I'm right next to the gazebo here. And I'm just showing, see all that? That's how high the water's come up. See that rock right there? That's how high it's coming up. Ooh, that was intense. I really haven't seen anything like this in a long time. I mean, not this last few years anyway. So, okay, this is the peak of high tide 2014 storm. And the gazebo. I don't know if you can see this. I haven't seen something like this in a long time. Look at this. A little while, the water actually came over the gazebo and splashed right on top of me. So, I don't know. It's pretty intense. Here's some more of the salt water frozen by the waves came 2 days ago. Salt water freezes at 10 degrees only. Since it was so cold, the salt water is still frozen because it's still cold. You can see all the salt water marks, which is something you rarely see because it has never been this cold in decades. I just thought, now that the sun came out, it's just looking really pretty here. But of course, it's low tide now. It's like 3 o'clock or something. Well, it's halfway out. But it just looks so pretty the way the sun's hitting the waves, and they're much calmer. But way out there, I don't know if you can see some of these. Some of them way out there are breaking. And just thought I'd take a couple of these pictures.